nothing like roasted marshmallows. It's too bad I don't know how to do the grill. I guess I'll just have to use the microwave. Let's see. I think about 5 minutes would be good. Whoa. Whoa. Cool. It looks like I hope it doesn't overflow the plate. It smells good. Whoa, they're starting to look like normal marshmallows. Those were mini marshmallows. But now, oh, they're catching on fire, I think. Oh, it's very smoky. Sick. It looks like cake. Kind of looks like chocolate cake with all that brown. I think I have an idea. Lucky Charms. Let's give this a minute. Who knows what'll happen. Grow, marshmallows, grow. Maybe it just takes a while because they're dry. Let's see. 20 seconds left. Still not growing. Whoa, I can see my reflection on the microwave. Hey, it's my camera. Let's see what they look like. They look the same. Ooh, they're all mushy though. They taste good too. Maybe they need more time. Let's try 2 more minutes. Still nothing. Oh, are they growing? No, I don't think so. Smells like popcorn. Oh, wait. I'm the only one home. No one's cooking popcorn. Maybe I should get this out. Oh, it's smoking. Let's see here. Smells. It smells really bad. But they look normal. Let's see here. Get our handy dandy spoon and see. It's all brown. It looks like chocolate Lucky Charms. These aren't chocolate Lucky Charms, are they? No, they're just Lucky Charms with more magic mini charms. I wonder why it's all brown. Probably because I burnt it in the microwave. Well, it looks cool. It's all colorful, and like the top part is good, but the bottom is brown and nasty, like poop. Like the leprechaun's poop. That's what when the leprechaun poops, it looks like this. It looks just like this, only without all the normal looking Lucky Charms. Like all that down there. Oh yeah. Uh-huh.